promo codes now, and I double checked. They said it's internal on their system. When I give out a promo code, I should grab the email that you guys are using to sign up so I can verify, but it should be fine.
Could I share for a couple, like 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. I mentioned in the chat I do want to do a brown bag, but I will share for just a second. I will just do a quick demo of two agents talking to each other. I'll go to the agent debug channel. So just a demo of the server, right? This is all for Ditto, and we have a channel category per organization. So we have Ditto Assistant and we have Omniara, and then we have a channel for each repo. That's how we have it set up right now. But you could also set it up for having like a QA channel and like whatever. And each of these channels is a concurrent work stream. So because you can, like, when you send a message to any agent, it spawns a container per channel, and it has a channel file, a server file, an agent file. And I added the ability for having multiple agents being hosted from your machine. So now I have Clayton is my Claude Code instance, so you can talk to Clayton. My partner in crime at Omniara, he's got Nicholas Omni running on his. I have Open Code Peyton. This is OC Peyton. So these are my bots, and then I'll just demo them having a conversation. So Clayton, I'm demoing you right now. Can you please start a conversation about with OC Peyton, talk about all. Okay, we'll see if Clayton does good. So our agents are aware of the users in the chat. So he should, and he has a format mention tool, so he should be able to do this correctly. Lord willing.
Yeah, so sorry, am I echoing now?
Oh, I'll mute.
Oh, no worries.
Yeah, okay, Clayton had a long thing to say to OC Peyton, so that's why it took a second. So he just sent a message, and the way they talk to each other, they just mention each other. So OC Peyton's gonna respond to that. And that's about it for the demo. And then I'm just gonna share like my whole screen for 2 seconds, entire screen. Okay. This is just my logs. I'm working on a web UI too, so that you can see, but yeah, as I said, each one's in a container. So Clayton, this is the Clayton container. This is the OC Peyton container. And they're two different agent runtimes. And the OC Peyton is running on Codex, and the Clayton is running on Opus. So we have two different agent harnesses and two different LLMs, like having a conversation right now in a Discord channel. And it is the conversation is literally ongoing. So thank you. That is my demo.
Cool.
And they're all hooked up to GitHub. They do a lot of work, like a lot of work.
That's neat.
Thanks.
I did an experiment like that with DAO. So I put 5 agents into a Moloch DAO, and then I had to introduce challenges, so I made it like a game. And there were a few things that happened. Like if you just had it freeform, they all just talk at the same time, and it, they're replying to each other. It doesn't make sense. Or the other thing is it's like, okay, your turn, now your turn, now your turn. And it gets a little like scripted feeling. And then the biggest issue ended up being that they just really like to agree with each other. Although I think the newer models are much better. This was a while back. I saw a similar demo in Boulder recently, where they had their Telegram set up full of agents, and they solved that by creating a talking stick, basically, which would be, so it's only one can talk at a time, and they create the order up front, and then they go through it. But
A question from somebody who knows very little about the topic. How do these agents are get given an agenda per se, and how do we make it? Like, how are you guys making them? Is it all open claw?
Oh no, so I just shared my repo in the chat. It's called OmniClaw. So it was a fork off of NanoClaw, and we started diverging so much that we're like, okay, I wanted it to be way better at coding. So if you want a coding focused one, try out OmniClaw. And then to your question about how does it get the directives? So I set up we already had the Discord server, but I set up a bunch of channels, and then we have, like, you guys know about agent skills where you can just do a skill and the agent like has it. So our setup is skill based because it's really convenient. So you just run /setup when you clone down our repo, and it literally walks you through like, okay, you want to set up a Discord bot? Oh, you want to set up 2 Discord bots? And yeah, so I really love the setup skill. And if you have any issues, like, add me as a friend, DM me, or just mention me on the channel. If anyone wants to try it, I definitely want people to try it because I think it's cool. But yeah, still early stages.
Very cool. Thank you.